Okay guys, time's up. So now we're going to here. We have this wall. We're gonna start with the panel point editing. So we go to room first. Okay. So here, if you don't want cornice or skirting, same thing. You can hide it here. Hide it. Okay, and you may press Ctrl 2 to make it look more clearly. Okay. So now I'm gonna talk about the first of the banner first. We may come to this function called custom. This panel point editing we can apply on wall, wardrobe, kitchen, system cabinet, door also can, and as long as it's customized. Okay, so we go to system cabinet first. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So just click in only. We drag one banner to show you the roughly function of panel point editing. Okay, it can help you do a lot of things. Okay, so we go for basic cabinet. Okay, part. Just drag one. This one, I would prefer super board. Okay, because with no limit. Okay, you can see here, the board is no limit. So you may drag one super board first, or later we will change any size we want, then we will do some panel point editing. So I'll give you 1 minute. Today's lesson mostly on the banner, or how to modify the banner. Okay. Okay guys, time's up. So we change the size first. You can see the product catalog here. We can change the banner size. This one I will make it, how many are the size? Okay, to 1200. Okay, then another one, the depth we make it 2400. Okay, something like banner like this. Okay, then we rotate it. Maybe I rotate it this one X 90 degree and 180 lah. Make it 180. Sorry, add another 90 270. Okay. We can move the banner up also, don't worry. Okay. Okay, something like this, make it 0. Okay. Later I will teach you how to make hole on the banner, how to chamfer it. Okay. So you just change the size, move it or rotate it also. Okay. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, follow the lesson. I may need to introduce you the button first. Like this one, right click, you may see, okay, you click on B, board selection first. Or click on your keyboard B, you may see board selection, then you can select the board. Okay. After that, you can see this one at the bottom. Or this one is hole, cut hole, panel chamfering, and panel stretching. Okay. So let's start with this one, cut hole. Okay. I'll give you 1 minute. Click on B keyboard, then click on your board. You may see bottom here got 3 buttons. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So you can click on here, then you may see this one hole, drill hole. So maybe you want hole, then you click on it. See here, we start with the hole here. Okay, so the size you can change. Let's say I put 200. See the size. Okay, and here you can adjust the distance. Maybe I put 300. 300. Okay. See here, this one you can change the distance. Okay, every hole are start in here. Okay, you can rotate also if you want a rectangle. Okay, maybe this one length I put far a bit, or put far a bit like 1000. Sorry, this one is the size. Okay, this one I put 200. Okay, this one I put 1000. 1000. Okay. If you want, you can drag. You can create rectangle also. Oh, but this one you can rotate lah for rectangle. Maybe I'll put this one up a bit. Okay. This one I put 300. Then you can rotate it. Maybe I put 45 degree also can. I see different shape. Okay. You can mirror also. And here you may see array. Oh, guys, you may see array. Okay, so later I will talk about array. You try the button here first. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. How to go drill hole again? Okay, wait a moment. Okay, you see Celine, you need to click board selection first. Okay, click B on your keyboard. You see this one, then you click on your panel, right click. Click on your panel only. Usually if you don't click board selection, you select it, you didn't see the 3 buttons at the bottom. Okay, so you may click B on your keyboard, board selection, then click on it. You may see 1, 2, 3 button. We are in this button, cut hole. Okay, try the button. Okay guys, time's up. So we continue. About this button are very simple array. You may need to select the hole first, then you can click on array. Array is to help you duplicate it. Okay, so maybe I want to duplicate on top or Y, right? So quantity I put 3. Okay, how many interval? Interval is the gap. Okay, so maybe I'll put 500. Okay, then I apply. You see 3 hole with 500 gap. Okay, so you can try array. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So if you don't want the hole, right, very simple, you click on it, you press delete. or click on it, blue color, then press delete. Okay, click on it, become blue color, press delete. Okay, just simple as this. Okay, so now we're coming for the second button. This one, panel chamfering. Okay, it will help you to chamfer the corner. Okay, but before that, my advice, or exit the board selection. We copy one panel first. Later I will use another panel to do another thing. So we copy one panel. To copy panel, Control V. You will copy the panel. Okay, then you can move the panel anywhere you want. Okay, just copy the panel. Okay, delete first. Control V, select it. Control V. Then you press Z button. You can move it. Z. Z button. Okay. Control V, Z button. We duplicate one panel first. Later I will use this one also. Okay. After this one we try already. Then we will delete it. Okay. So I'll give you 1 minute. Try the button. Or Control V, copy the banner. Excuse me. Okay, guys, time's up. So we continue. Okay, so we come back to the board selection. You click B, you see this one, then you go through board selection. Okay, or when you want to exit, you click B, or exit also can. Okay, so we're coming from this button, or the chamfering. You can click on it. You may see different type of chamfering, and this corner will have a blue color cube. Attendant 20. Okay, no problem. Later I will help you mark. Okay. So this one, guys, this one you can select it first. Okay, let's say I click on it. This one, I can chamfer it. You see the corner become something like this. Zoom first. Okay, chamfer already. So the radius is the size. You can change it. So maybe I put 300. Cannot 300. 200 or maximum. This one is the maximum. Okay, or you can change different pattern also, or if you want. This one 500 can. Okay, or different pattern you can choose. Or D, if you see D1, D2 like this, D is green color, D2 is this one. Or you can make different pattern like 300 and this one 200. Okay, up to you. Or try the button number 2. Okay, and select the blue cube. Okay, Judy, wait a moment. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Try the button, then I mark the attendance number 20. Okay, 20. Sorry. Okay guys, time's up. So this is how you chamfering your corner. Okay, anything if you don't want, you can click back. Always click back the thing, or you Control Z also can undo. Okay, Control Z. Okay, so this one, another one is panel structure, the third button. Okay, you can click on it, select the panel, click on it. Okay, so you may see this corner, or this one will help you extend. So let's say your size, your board size are limited, so you can extend in here also. Okay, you can choose this direction, then you key in the number you want to extend. Let's say I want it more 500, so 500. it will extend. Okay, or maybe you want it lesser, or lesser, I'll put 1000 minus 1000, enter. Okay, so when you're done, right, just click quick. That's only. You can try this button. I'll give you 1 minute. Click on the arrow, then you can extend it or decrease it also can. So once you click broad selection, it will have no limit. You can modify the banner as you like. Okay guys, time's up. So this banner I don't want, I told you already, this one I just use it to show you the 3 button, so I delete it. Okay, and this one I exit first. We duplicate one more banner, this one just press Ctrl V, or if you want to move it, press Z, or Z, you can move it. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you about panel point editing, the inside function. So same thing, you may click B board selection, or in here, this button. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Copy the board, then B selection, then go to panel point editing. Okay, 1 minute. Okay guys, time's up. So we go inside the panel point editing lah. Okay, because just now the 3 button have some limit also. Some pattern you cannot draw, or some pattern of the whole you cannot draw, or by using triangle or rectangular. So in here is a vertex editing. You can do a lot of things. Okay, so in here, first thing you must recognize is this banner are like this, blue and red color. You may see blue and red color. Okay, so this one here you may see here. If you want to rotate, red color is here, red color, the arrow. So you may rotate it, rotate it. Okay, and we cannot rotate like this. You can rotate here, or this one you can rotate here if you want. Okay, but this angle shall be the banner face. Or you just remember green are here. Okay, so I'll give you no need give you okay, we do a simple one. Okay, we try this button, import cat, import cat. Guys, try this button, import cat. Okay, so this import cat is you can draw any pattern in the AutoCAD, then you import it. So let's say I click on it, I draw any pattern I want. Where is the file? Panel point editing. This one. You can click on the file I give you from the study material. Just open it. Correct. Okay guys, maybe this one has some error, never mind, or we will report it. Okay, the import the access to direct generate custom code. Yeah. Okay, never mind, or like this. So we come to another button. Okay, this one we will report it. Okay, so this one hole or drip hole, or you can draw any hole you want. Okay, and there are no fixed pattern. Okay, you can rectangle, circle like just now, or you get some of from the library. So you can click this one, draw also, or you can draw any pattern you want, like a T pattern also can. As long as the line are covered back. Okay, it loading sorry guys, it loading. Okay, no problem. Just need to wait because my internet are not that fast. So I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Just import the material I give you, the study material, the access. Okay, so you can see those hole we create from the pattern of AutoCAD. Okay, so you can create the pattern in AutoCAD, then you import here, then you can use it. Okay, wait a moment. I do pineapple editing, it always give me top view, how to turn the front view. This one okay, I cannot turn here. Okay, you can turn here, this one. But eventually later you need to turn outside. So my suggest you stick with this one first, follow here the pattern here, or follow the pattern here. Usually for me I will use this one, the arrow red color first. Later I save already, I will rotate and outside. Yeah, Mr. Paul, if you cannot import then you need to wait the internet. If cannot, mostly the internet you see I can. Okay, so I'll give you guys 1 minute 2 minutes, okay, because this one need time. Okay, need time, so we use 2 minutes. Sometimes I also don't know that I need to wait for the internet. Or you give it some minute. Okay. This one core, you also can click on here. You may see this button flip, or you can flip it also, okay, flip, so you can turn you see I flip already. And this one you can turn also okay, this button, you see this one flip, okay, click on it only. Okay guys, time's up. Okay, so we continue. Okay, let me see. We save first. Okay, then return. This is the panel. Or if you are confused inside, then you can rotate here also manually. Or you press button X also can rotate. Okay. So we coming up, we go for another topic is add section for the frame. Okay, so I will teach you how to add a frame here. Okay, after we create the whole sometimes you may need to add frame, or you can use this banner also. Okay, same button using board selection. Okay, right click, come to panel point editing. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. 2D. Okay, 2D. Okay, time's up. So we come to this panel point editing, right? Now I'm going to teach you how to do frame. For the frame are very easy. You just click this one only. Or this board you can be any pattern. Or then you can click this one, X section. So in X section here you may see a lot. Or the door frame you can choose. Okay, let's say I choose which one? Frame section. Simply choose one. Or I choose this one. Or look like up. Okay, frame section 86. Okay, so I choose. Then you can see here we got frame, or maybe I put a big corner, the board are too dark. You can see the frame here. Okay, so if you want it open whole, you can click this one, or this one is closed and hollow. Click on it, so it become frame only. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute, try the button. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, try the button. Click section, or select the frame, then you click hollow, make it as frame. Then later we will merge two panels together. 39 minutes. I'll give you 2 minutes. Can you repeat? No problem. Okay, I'll repeat this one for the frame. Okay, so I Ctrl Z first. Ctrl Z first. Click on it. Ctrl Z. Maybe I cancel, return, or exit directly lah. Don't save, then it won't affect. See original. Okay, so I'll repeat. I'll see. Right click, panel point editing. Okay, make it as frame. We just go to section only. Select this one. Go to section. Choose frame section, or any frame also can. But I choose this one because got pattern, so I choose it. 86. Okay. Then you can click hollow out. Hollow out means inside one we are hollow out. Okay. So it become only frame. Okay, I'll give you guys 1 more minute. Okay, time's up. So you save. Okay, save. Once you save, the panel will become like this. Then you return. Okay. So we got 2 panel, right? Okay. So I exit the board selection. Remember, every time you done, exit the board selection. Okay, avoid conflict. So click on it. Then you press Z button. You can move it. So move it a bit here. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, if you think it's perfect, you move already, then you just exit also like this one. Once you done the function, remember exit. Okay, control highlight it. Okay, control select 2 lah, maybe 1 and 2. Okay, select 2, then press right click. We can combine it together. or combine it together. So you move the frame, then control select 2, 1 and 2, then click this one. They will become a panel you create, or a billboard, a sideboard also can, up to you. Okay, I exit first, I do a favorite. So whenever you move it up, they will move together. 900. See? Okay. Try the button. I'll give you 2 minutes. Move the frame to the panel and combine them together. 1 minute. Okay, time's up. Now we're going to the next topic, which called wall panel or wall panel. So we're gonna create a wall panel on this 3000 wall, or this one. Okay, 3000 wall. Or because I do some calculating already, so we must use this wall first. Okay, so very simple, guys. We just go to this board. We use this board. This time we use front raiser. This front raiser you can drag out. Okay, you always like this, stand vertical. Use front raiser. Okay, so they have limit for the front raiser, but doesn't matter. We just use B board selection, click on it, change the size. Okay, so the first thing I change shall be 3000. Yeah, for the height maybe 2008 lot, this one. Never mind, I make it 3000. I like 3000. So I change my wall height. Okay. I like 3000, so I change my wall height. Okay. So you can board selection, break the rules, or use board selection, break the rules. The size you can break. Okay. So the white, this one is 3000 also, like I told you just now. This one I make it 3000. Okay. So just drag one front raiser, use board selection, change the size. Okay, we're gonna do a wall panel here. I give you 1 minute. This one's 1037. Okay guys, time's up. Or just a simple step, drag a banner, change the size. Okay, so now we come to here. Also we drag one more banner, or I mean need to do some pattern. You see, once I drag, it also stick to the wall. Okay, let me see, is it stick to the wall? Yeah, it stick to the wall. Doesn't matter, we can click Z button or move it. Okay, move it out first, then here we can change it. Okay, as we know, this panel the thickness is 80, so I'll change it 80. Okay, 18. Okay, you drag one, move it out, change the distance. Okay, then we just do the pattern. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. we're gonna create a wall banner with some design, a simple design one. And remember, once you've done those things, remember exit. So avoid your conflict. Okay guys, time's up. So we continue. Okay, let's see this one here, right? Okay, so you can click on this one. We change the size first lah. The first one I will change the height to 1200. Okay, the width I keep it 600. Okay, then another one I will just Control V, copy one. Okay, copy one. The gap here I'll add 10 or add 10 mm gap. Okay, and this one, the size, the height, I make it 6000. Just some pattern. Remember 10 mm gap lah, the gap. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute. Change the size. Control V, copy the banner, then change the size and add the gap. Okay. Okay guys, time's up lah. So another one we just copy are very simple. You can click on here, right? We press Ctrl V. Then in here the distance we can add 10 mm for the gap, add 600 for just now the banner, then we add another 10 mm for the new gap. So you must be very fluent with your numbers. Okay, then you will automatic, see, also have a 10 mm gap here. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute by using Ctrl V. To save a lot of time, don't need to drag and change the size again. Okay guys, time's up. So now it's 10:50. We're gonna have a short break for 10 minutes, or you can go for refreshment. or then later we'll continue after 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll write here the 10-minute short break. 11 a.m. continue. Okay, take a short break first. Okay guys, time's up. So we continue lah. Okay, so to continue finish this wall panel. Very simple, we just copy, click on this one, press Ctrl V. Okay, then the distance here we add. Okay, first we add 110 mm gap for here, then add another 600 for the panel, then add another 10 mm gap. Okay, then press enter. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute. I'll copy this panel, just add the numbers here. Add the numbers here. Okay, time's up. So another one here, we're gonna copy same thing. Click on this one, Ctrl V. Okay, but this one a bit different. Okay, we may just move it first. Okay, move it first, let it automatically adjust the gap. Because this one after the 10 mm gap here will be decreased like a bit or less than 600. Okay, so you just move it. After Ctrl V, then you move it. Okay, in here you can see no gap. Here is no gap, automatic no gap. Okay, you can see here is no gap. Okay, so I may just decrease the white. Okay, decrease the white. Okay, minus 10 mm. Then this 10 mm I'll make it 0. So here we have a 10 mm gap. We'll shift to the front. Okay, so follow me. Ctrl V, copy one panel, then move it. Okay, after computer automatic adjust, then minus 10 mm gap here. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. This one. If cannot follow, let me know. I'll repeat this panel. Okay, sometimes when you guys see this one, please save the scheme. You just save, press Ctrl S. Okay, save the scheme if you want. BOARD board. Okay. And if you want automatic save, you can you save once, then will automatic save also. In setting here, I think every 50 minutes will automatic save. This one. We can open it. Auto save scheme. 50 minutes. Okay. Operating habit. Setting. Okay guys, after we done, time's up already, so we continue. Okay, so now we're gonna do another pattern here on top. Simple, click on it, press Ctrl V also. Okay, however this one I'll need to move up lah, right? My panel is 1200 height for this one, so at the elevation I'll type 1200. Okay, then maybe I add 10 mm gap. Okay, something like this. Then you can change the distance here, make it 0, then we'll stick to here, and with 10 mm gap. Okay, yeah, Ctrl Z. Okay, this one make it 0. Okay, once done already, you can click on the wall to avoid select it. Okay, just use elevation, Ctrl V, then elevation, then change the distance. So I'll give you 1 minute. Okay guys, time's up. Okay, so here we copy one more banner, Ctrl V also, and this one the banner we know right, 600. So with elevation here, put 600. Okay, then maybe I'll add another 10 mm gap. Add only. Then we have gap. Okay, and here remember we need to add another 10 mm gap also, or followed by here 610. Okay, so we add 10 mm gap. So you will see a pattern or the wall banner pattern. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute or so. Okay, time's up. So follow up with this banner also here. Okay, we click on this one, Ctrl V. Okay, so this time here I add only because the elevation are correct. Okay, so I'll add only. I add 10 mm gap. Okay, and add another 600 banner. Then I add one more 10 mm gap. Okay. If you're lazy to add the max, you can select this one. You know the distance, or just 1830. Then you change it 1830. Okay. So I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So I'll select this one also. This one I will duplicate to here and here. So just click Ctrl V. Okay, and I check this one 1220. So I'll select it 1220. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. However, this one here may be different because the white are different. Oh, but never mind. Okay, you know the white already. So 560, right? This one, we just click on this one, Control V, copy already, change the white. Okay, 560. Okay, and this one, change it to 0. Okay, that will be perfect. They got a lot method. Either you copy here or copy here also can, or else you create one news, then you need to adjust by yourself. Okay, so I may give you 1 minute. Okay, time is up. So same thing, this one put to here, or may you can click on here first, see the rest of the number. The height is 590. After minus the gap should be 580, right? So we use this banner. Okay, you can Control V, copy one. Okay, so here this one I'll change it to 0, the distance. No, change the size first. Okay, the height I make it 580 as we calculate already, and this one the height, this one the distance, I'll make it 0. Okay, and this one the 600, I make it 0. Complete. Okay, so remember, copy, then change the height first, then you change the distance. Okay, like a puzzle. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So this one also same lah. In case we will always check the height first lah. But I did calculation already. So usually we're less than 1,200 lah. Okay. So this is the distance. Then maybe I minus 10 mm gap, should be 1180, the new banner. So I select this one. Control V. Okay. Then make it 1180 the height. Okay. 1180. Okay, and this one same thing, we make it 0, or stick to the top, and here add 10 mm gap, add 10 mm gap. Okay, remember check the height first lah, or check the height. So I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So if you are good in maths, usually you know the maths lah, or this one shall be a SAM here. Okay, so just click on it, press Ctrl V. Yeah, this one I'll do the same thing. I'll just see this distance how much first. This one is 1220, right? I'll select back. 1220, 1220. Complete. Oh, they are same. Okay, they are same. Unless you do different, but you need to have a proper elevation down, then you can do it even faster. Okay, you can build like a carpenter. Okay, so I may give you 1 minute for this one. Same thing. Okay guys, time's up. So we continue here. This one I may just copy, click on this one, same thing, Ctrl V. Okay, this one select here is 1830, so I'll select this one, 1830. Okay, this one I will give you 1 minute also. Okay, time's up guys. So the last one very simple. Last one you just okay, our last one same thing, Ctrl V, okay, and change the size, white 560, so I'll change it 560, then here distance make it 0. Okay, complete. So I'll give you 1 more minute, then we'll move to the new topic. Okay, time's up. Okay, so this one, the work panel we created, right? We can save it. This thing we can save it. Next time, if you have a similar wall or you want to edit it, also can use back. Okay, you can hold Control button, select it. Okay, then press Ctrl G or right click also. Or we can copy it and right click. Okay, Shift select right click. Shift select right click, Shift select right click. Okay, So you can group it, then you can favorite it, or remember you can favorite it, give it a name like wall banner. The next time you can use back once you favorite, or like we teach you in the basic class the wardrobe same method. Okay, so maybe here I put a wall banner. Okay, confirm. Okay, then you will see in favorite here wall banner. Okay, so next time you can drag out and modify use back. Okay, so I may just give you 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can try the button. You can save if you want, or if you don't save also can, no problem. This one doesn't matter. Okay guys, time's up. So we continue. So coming up, the next topic are very simple. Also we will use a cabinet to change the door, or to change the door. Okay, this one we may use this function. This one we will use this called kitchen. Come to kitchen first. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, exit the system cabinet. We use kitchen. Teach you how to change the door pattern. Okay, the door pattern, door style. We call it door style. Okay guys, time's up. Go inside the kitchen. Okay, this one I will just drag this one called high cabinet. Okay, we drag one high cabinet out first. I'm gonna teach you how to modify the door with another method by using panel point editing. Okay, sometimes you may need to create your door if you want that pattern. Okay, but if can, just choose the style. So I'll give you 1 minute. Drag the panel, drag the cabinet. Okay guys, time's up. Okay, first thing we need to do is just change the white lah. This one make it 900 lah, so you can easy to see how we change it. Bigger a bit. Okay. Give you 1 minute. Change the white cabinet. Okay, after that we will we will copy this one. We will go to special board. Okay, which one? Let me check my note. Special board, others. Then go to this one called super plate. This one, once you see super inside the library, usually you can do anything. Okay, visible panel, top panel. Where's my super plate? Super panel. Okay, new super panel. They are no different. Okay, just drag out. Drag out. Okay, later we'll change the size, because this kind of super, when you see, they have no limit, so we can do whatever pattern we want for the door. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute. Track the banner. Or we do one like no handle one, or no handle but with some pattern. Okay guys, time's up. So to do the door right, we must know the door size first of all. You can click on the door, okay, then you will know the size. Okay, this one I'll move here a bit. Let me adjust my screen so you can see. Okay, okay, click the door, then you see the size 447 and the height 2092. Okay, you may need to drop it down later, you can change in the panel. So I'll drop down first. 447. Okay, and height is 2092. Okay, so you select the panel. Okay, this one white, change it to 447. Okay, date, change it to 2092. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Copy the size first. Okay. Okay, time's up. So after that, we click on the banner first, the door first. Okay, you can change the depth. Okay, so this door I will leave it 8 only lah. Leave it 8 only. Okay, and this panel I will change it to 10. The thick. Okay, the thick. Change it to 10. Okay. Later we will use panel point editing to change the pattern. Then we'll match it to the door, so you can have a different pattern. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Change the thickness, both of them. One is 8, one is 10. 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So now we're gonna change the pattern first before we adjust it to match the door. Okay, so simple, you can use this button, click on B, board selection also, right click on the banner, we change the pattern first, or we can use panel point editing. So I'll give you 1 minute, come to this button, okay, time's up. So go inside, panel point editing again. Okay, so this one guys, you must know lah, from the 3D you can see the drawer should be here, or the drawer should be here. Okay, so the banner should be like this. Okay, so you make sure your red color and blue color are correct, or if not correct, at least you know the direction. Okay, maybe you can use this one button to turn it, or you flip it also can. Just click on it, you will see this one, you can flip. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute, or adjust your banner lah. Usually we are same if you follow me. Okay, okay guys, time's up. Like I told you, this function not only can create hole, okay, drift hole using this one to create hole, right? We also can create the banner or draw the banner. So you can delete this banner as distinct the one, then we use this as guideline the size, then we create the banner. Okay, you can click this button, draw. Okay, maybe we start with here, draw. Okay, you hold your center of the mouse, you will see this one, you can move. Okay, center of the mouse, you zoom it, you can zoom it also. Okay, so we draw something like this, or I give it 50 lah, or 350 here, and until here I'll give it roughly 700. Okay, draw some pattern like this. This one follow back the size. That one I make it as handle. Okay, remember join back the banner, then the AiHouse will detect it as a banner once you join back. Okay, so you can draw any pattern of the banner you want. Okay, but follow me first. Okay, follow me first. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Delete the banner, existing banner, then draw it. 2 minutes. By the way, guys, this absorption absorb the dot. This orthogonal is the straight line. If you worry your hand shaking, then you click this one. Okay. Okay guys, time's up. So after that we do some pattern lah. This one is a handle, right? Maybe this one I do some pattern. Okay, you can click on number 4 here. This one we can change it. Maybe I'll click here. This one you can change it. So we hide it. The corner number 4 I make it make it this one outer fillet. Okay, the radius I make it 50. Then you can see some pattern for the handle. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Click on the dot, then here you can choose the pattern you want. Okay, one minute. Okay, time's up. So basically you can draw any pattern of the banner lah. Okay, and this button the last one is create a point like this. Okay, let's say you want to create a point in here, right? You can select the line. Let's say this one. Select the line. Okay, add point. Add point on it. It will add point. Or you select line also. I think select line. Add point only doesn't matter. Okay, then you can do something like this. Okay, so we save first, then we return once you're done. Okay, now we have the pattern of the door. Later we will stick it together. Okay, remember, exit your board selection or exit it. Okay, then select the banner back. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. Okay, first we rotate this panel so it look like the door. At rotate here, this button X, you change it to 270. Okay, so it almost like a door vertical. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So we use the board selection also like this one, because I need to select the door to see the door also. Okay, so now after that we come to here, we click Z or button Z. Okay, select it. Okay, you can click on point capture maybe. Yeah, point capture on the cabinet only. If edge capture, yeah, also on cabinet only. Okay, never mind. I use another method. This one is simple. Exit everything. Okay, so you check the door. Click on the door, right? You may know this one. Okay, you click on the cabinet. You know this depth is 550. So this one, the distance here, I make it 550. Okay, and this one, we have 100 gap on top, so the elevation I add 100. Okay. Okay, and if you see something like this, right, never mind, you select the cabinet 1964, then you can change it 1964. Maybe this one we need to add 8 mm for the door, so here we add 8 mm. Okay, well done. So your turn, I'll give you 2 minutes. Or you can use number lah. If you think complicated, just use number. Okay? Because you know all the dimension already, all the dimension of the cabinet and panel. Or else you just use Z button to move it. Ngam ngam. Okay, time's up. So now maybe we put some color lah, also make it look better. And the handle, you know it lot, we have handle here. So maybe I'll just delete all the handle. Right click on the wall, delete all the handle. And this one, the material, okay, this one I will choose material. Okay, maybe something only color. You can choose color here, pure color. Okay, maybe I choose this one, matte. Okay, right click, format printer, copy it. Okay, this one I choose white law, maybe right click. Okay, material. So color, crowd color order, pure color. Maybe I choose white. Then you look contrast. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. 1 minute you can change the color. Choose the color you want. Maybe this one I change another color. This one look not special. This one better. Choose white color. They look modern. Okay, guys, time is up. So the last thing lah, or the last thing I may need to teach you is this one. The last thing for the banner point lah. Banner point, just learn how to change the door only, the banner size pattern only. Okay. Okay, this one shall be. We just use base cabinet. Use base cabinet. Okay, I need to teach you the last trick. Okay. You drag one base cabinet, or later I will teach you how to turn banner to door. We can turn the banner to door. Okay. Because door have different setting. When the door have door lift, when the banner is just banner, or even I bought selection select it just part only. Okay. So you drag this one first, the base cabinet. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay guys, time's up. So far so good. Okay, the last thing you also need to use board selection. Okay, you can select the panel like this one. You can turn it to door lift. See, door lift. Once you turn it to door lift, it will become a door. But doesn't matter, guys. You can always copy here, like copy, right click. You can okay, I give you turn the door first. Right click, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay, right click, transfer to door lift. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. To transfer it to a door, then later we can apply the door method, the door style. Okay, time's up. So transfer to door lift. Okay, so if you want change all the door are same, you can just right click all door banner. Okay, banner type. Simply choose one. Simply choose one. Choose this one. Got pattern one. Yeah, choose this one. Choose this one. Okay, choose. Okay, if you don't like it, you can Ctrl Z return. You can also use this button, format printer, copy the. Cannot see. Never mind. Up a bit. Right click. Format printer. Copy style, material, and printer. Make it same. Then you can open the door also. Press O. You can adjust the door also. Change it left or right. Okay. So it looks smooth now when you come to corner, you want to do something like this. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute also. Try the button. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Try the button. So smooth today. Everyone can code up. Okay guys, time's up. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Just a simple panel point edit topic. It's all about banner. Okay, you can learn how to create the banner in different method. Okay, so I will stop here. If you have question, you can ask. Guys. Or if no question, I think you guys can leave also lah. So any question for today? Anything you want me to repeat? The high cabinet door. Okay. Let me show back here the high cabinet door. Okay, let me see the chart. Can combine? Can, of course can. That's why you can. Okay, I must go back to this system now. I'll remember, must go back. Oh no, this one is kitchen cabinet, correct. Okay, so you want to combine, you just do something like this, then Control B. Okay, maybe you combine with the door. Okay, combine with the door, see can or not? Door. Okay, combine the door only, like see I select the door, then Control G. Cannot. You need to select the whole system. So I'll select the whole system lah. Right click. Okay. Okay, you can select the banner first, then hold Control, select the cabinet. The next time you can use back and change the size. Control G. Okay, you can set it. Or same thing. Door, no handle. Favorite it. Okay. So next time you can use back. Cabinet. Yeah, Celine, you correct. But this one we just make for display lah. So let's say if you want open door, like you say, let's say Control B first. Okay. Or when open door, usually we don't open door lah. Okay, when you want open door, then you may rotate this banner also. Or you can do something like this. Open. Then when you want to, because this open door, you can adjust also. Okay, this open door you can adjust also. Let me see. Right click. You can custom the angle. Custom the angle. Okay, then you adjust the angle again for the banner. Okay, but usually we don't open the door lah. Okay. So we left 3 minutes, guys. If you have any question, you can ask. If not, then we will leave the class and the class early. Welcome. Thank you guys. By the way, guys, one more thing. If you want to just say you cannot follow lah today's lesson, don't worry, we always have a backup here. You can go for YouTube. Okay, YouTube AiHouse, just type AiHouse. Okay, and here MYSG, here we're on live already today. And if you want a stable one, you can come to here. This one is the topic we talk about. They are exactly same. Okay, panel point editing, topic 4. Okay, let me see others. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks. Bye. Okay, bye.